Hey guys, this is Kevin for Pixavert.com. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to add borders around an image inside of Gimp. We're going to start off using a very simple filter inside of Gimp. We go to Filters, Decor, Add Border. This is an old school filter, so you're not going to get a preview. What I found with this image was that I needed a border size of around 50, and I wanted a fairly whitish color, so I went for an off-white color. The default delta value is 25. We'll go with that. And what it does, it just creates an outside border for our image. So the image itself is completely unaffected, but we do get this outside border. Now, notice that we've got the delta values here. So the delta values create this kind of shadow effect, and we don't really want that. We just want a simple border. So what I'm going to do is drag this white color into the new layer, then drag that behind, and that gives us the border that we want there. We've got the background layer selected. We'll go to Colors, Colorize, and by playing around with these settings here, we can actually get different border colors and experiment with this until we get exactly the color that we want. We'll look at the second technique. Go to Filters, Gimp. Now there are going to be three filters I'm going to be looking at. They're all called Frame. The first one is going to be the Frame Round option, which gives us this effect. The second one is the Frame Fuzzy, which gives us this effect. And the third one, I'm actually going to do a search for it. So we'll search for FRAME, and we'll go to Regular. And this is what I came up with for this particular filter, but you can come up with different settings if you want to. So if we go back to the original setting, you'll see it's got black on the outside, then it's got this white outline, this white margin line. And if you want to, you can change the outline. You can change the color of the outline. So essentially you've got a double border going on here. And what I like about this is that it gives you the ability to preview the changes before you apply them. So you can play around with different settings and see what works for you. If you want just a single border, just take the outline to 0. Or you can actually take the width of the border down to 0 and just work with the outline. And if you like something that you get here, you can go down and hit the favorites button, and that will save it as a favorite. Now, the other ones I showed you were the round option, and obviously that gives us the soft fade that we were looking at. I had to really play around with the settings to get that effect. And the other one is the fuzzy one, and I had to play around with this one as well to get the original effect that we saw. So this was the original one that we saw. It's the frame round filter, and I played around with it to get this nice subtle fade effect. We're going to output to a new layer, hit OK, and there we have our new layer and the original. You can see once you've set up a favorite, this could be all done in a couple of seconds, just like that. It's very, very, very convenient, very flexible. Now, the final thing I want to mention to you guys is that I've done a couple of other videos on adding borders to the Gimp, and I'll have a link to those. One of them is a really basic technique, which frankly, I don't use that often anymore. And another one is a technique for adding borders to images that you want to send to print. I'll have a link to those in the description. That's going to be it for this one. I hope you found some of that useful. These are really, really cool filters inside of Gimp. They're very flexible. Try them out, see what they're like. I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.